Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we'll talk about more class attributes, and the dunder method is repr. So let's get started. Let's dive in. First of all, I will put another attribute as employees, and employees is equal 0. So when I create the new employee 3, 4, 5, this will increase this attribute. So it's easy. Put it there. Employee name of a class employee dot attribute. The attribute is employees, and plus equal 1. Okay. So now if I print the employees, print employee dot employees, and run true. I will create the employee of 3. Name is Hassan. The age is 40. Name is teacher, and print it. The employees, there are 3. So now I want to use the repr with another attribute. The another attribute, I will put lst employees is equal. Okay, this is a list of all the employees. So how to add employee to this list? Name of a class and dot list employees dot append the object. What's the object? It's self, because we said self return to the all object, all this object. So put self. So now if I want to print this list, how to print this list? Employees dot lst dot employee. Okay, print nothing. Why nothing? Because I will use repr dunder method. Def repr. So why we use repr? Repr use to print message, but message for developers, not users. So return what? Return of message. Okay, employee. What name is equal. Okay, self dot name, and age I will print. Okay, print just name. Now print, look at this, print the message for the users. This is repr. Okay, employee name. You can control it also. You can print age. Age is equal self.age. Okay, 40, 64, 24. So this is lesson, and I will say goodbye.